Morning, everyone. It's about 6:15 Saturday, down at Big Hill Lake near Cherryvale, Kansas. Just got done. Torrential downpour. I'm absolutely soaked. Seems like it's the way it's going to go for a little while this year. Tournament starts, so we got a 30-minute delay due to thunderstorms. So lines in at 6:30 and lines out at 2:30. 5 fish limit, best 5 fish. I think it's about 65 degrees out, 68 degrees this morning, something like that. Looks like the water temperature is about 74, 75 degrees. I didn't pre-fish, so I'm just coming over here. I'm just going to start on this bank, kind of across from the boat ramp, and we'll see how I do. I have no expectations. I'm just trying to get my limit today. So we'll see if I can get on any fish. I'm going to try a few things, up in the grass, off the points, that kind of stuff. Might be a tough bite, but we'll see. So we'll see in about 15 minutes. Pretty good way to start out the day. 19 and a half. It's kind of hard to sometimes put them in the picture. Actually using a black BizzBaits dinner bell buzzbait. Thank you, BizzBaits. Fish number 2, 10 1/4. Nothing big, but I'll take it. Same whopper plopper. Nope. Same buzzbait, sorry. Alright, third fish on, 11 and a half. It was a wacky rig too. 12 1/4. Tried to get it to a half, but would not go. $13.75. That is what I call a fifth fish, and we have our limit. So yippee! All right, finally got another fish on. It's been a while. Ned rig with a CNC custom baits. Weedless Ned rig hook. Thanks, Clayton. Well, do a quick outro so I can shut my camera off. Hit a tree stump. I don't think I broke my trolling motor, but I definitely damaged the bracket that holds it on. So, not 5 minutes later, my handles that turn the kayak broke. So now I can't turn my kayak. So, trying to make it back to the boat ramp. Thank goodness I have pedals, I can tell you that much. Anyway, so I'm just gonna call it in. There's about 30 minutes left in the tournament, but I'm done. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna be out of breath here in a minute, but hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks everybody for watching. And I probably got like 5th or 6th place, so not terrible. Maybe 7th, I don't know. Not everybody had submitted their fish yet, so we'll see. All right, everybody have a good day.